Hi guys. This is the finishing piece. I wasn't so happy with the sand, but yeah, I'm trying to get used to using gouache, and I've been looking at a lot of videos. This is I think this is a A6, half of A5. Yeah, A6 watercolor. I still can't seem to get a grasp with the water control. Um, but I will say I do like the way the clouds turned out, as you've seen in the sped up video. Uh, First I laid down the colour on the blue sky and it was very dark. I didn't like that colour, and then we had the greeny water, but then I kind of went over that again. The bushes that I was trying, the grassy bushes that I was trying to go for, I feel like I kind of lost patience when I got to the beach. So the top half, I feel like I'm liking a lot more. I was using the Maya set up there, as you can see. My gouache paints. As I have 56 paints, I'm like gonna mess around with them. I'm trying to figure out how to mix my own colours, and yeah, it's a learning process, obviously, because I've never used gouache, so it's quite different from watercolor. But I do want to get more into doing surrounding areas and magical and wonderful kind of locations. So that's why I'm trying to practice as much as I can. Less paint is more, depending on what brushes you're using as well. I feel like I'm gonna have to try and find a watercolor brush set that will be best suited to me, because I feel like I don't have a decent flat brush right now to do those like predominant flat colors that we lay down first of all. Yeah, I might work on the sand a bit more, maybe put a bit more dark paint around the sea, because that's where the wet sand is. And yeah, I was trying to put some footprints in, but it just didn't work out. I was watching a YouTuber that her art is so beautiful, so I will reference her in my description box below. And once I get the hang of using these paints, obviously I'll start doing my own thing. And yeah, hopefully you guys can tag along. And please hit that like, subscribe button and the bell, and check out all my other socials. When I'm not doing art videos, I'm usually gaming or yeah, streaming on Twitch, so you might as well check me out there and come and say hi to me. I'll see you. Bye.